Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Plusphone, second phone number, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Plusphone is a second phone number app designed to give users an additional line for calls and texts without needing another SIM card or device. It allows you to choose a number, send and receive messages, make Wi-Fi calls, and manage voicemail from within the app. It's available on both iOS and Android and is commonly used for work, online selling, dating, or maintaining privacy. The app's main feature is its virtual phone number system. You pick a number and instantly start using it for calls and messages. Plusphone supports call forwarding, voicemail recording, contact separation, and private communication that stays separate from your primary line. It works over Wi-Fi or mobile data, which makes it accessible even without strong network coverage. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its ease of setup, clean interface, and the ability to keep personal and business conversations separate. The app offers reliable texting, flexible number options, and a straightforward calling experience. It's especially useful for freelancers, online sellers, and users who want to protect their personal number. However, there are some drawbacks. Most core features require a subscription, and free usage is limited. Some users report occasional call quality issues depending on internet strength, and numbers may expire if not consistently used. In addition, the app relies heavily on Wi-Fi or data, which can affect call stability. In summary, the Plusphone app may be worth using if you need a dedicated second number for privacy, business communication, or temporary use. However, if you prefer traditional SIM-based calling or want completely free unlimited features, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.